it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, and it is hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we share with you a project that we have done with our stickers. And today I'm going to share with you a spread that I did in my spring themed junk journal. So as you can see, I did 2 pages, and we'll focus on this one first. This is actually a window cling from Dollar Tree, but I turned it into a sticker. I just glued it so that way it would go onto this crafting paper really nicely. These beautiful stickers up here I actually got from Temu, and they're washi stickers. They're just so pretty. I wanted to make almost like a forest theme. That was my vision when I created this spread. I just wanted to make it a really pretty, peaceful forest scene. You got the owls right there, the leprechaun, the gnome, and then this beautiful, beautiful scenery with the trees and the rainbow and the pretty roses right there. So that's the first side of it. This is washi tape. This washi tape I got from Temu, and some of these stickers as well. The rest of them are from Amazon and Dollar Tree. I love this crafting paper. I got that from Michael's. Then when you go onto this page right here, I used a Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day card. I lined the blank part of the page with washi tape to continue the forest theme over here. And when you open it, there's like a little surprise scene inside the card, which I think is really, really cute. This is from Dollar Tree. It's one of those felt St. Patrick's Day craft kits. There's three different characters in there, and it was a 6-pack. I thought it was really, really cute, so I decided to put him in there. This is some more beautiful washi sticker from Temu, and then that as well. And then I just continued the theme over here just to make it very, very peaceful, very pretty. So that is the spread that I did for this week's Sticker Saturday. I hope that you guys like what I created. I just think it's really, like I said, it's very peaceful, touch of whimsical in it, and it's just, and it definitely says St. Patrick's Day and has a forest feel to it. And now that St. Patrick's Day is over, next week and going forward for the next couple of weeks, I'll be working on spring theme and also putting some Easter in there as well. So everyone, please go ahead and put in hashtag Sticker Saturday. Watch everyone's videos and show them some love, as well as Crafting Rose. Please go watch her Sticker Saturday video and show her some love as well. And with all that being said, please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.